Okay, and then on to the second game tonight. St. Louis Blues at the Colorado Avalanche, 9:30 Eastern Time, 6:30 Pacific. Game one in this series after the Blues won a hard-fought series against the Minnesota Wild. Maybe a little bit easier than people might have thought, but nonetheless, it looked like it was hard-fought at times. I think St. Louis had their number for the most part, which is why they won this in 6 games. Colorado easily took care of Nashville, as we know. They beat them in 4 straight. The line on tonight's game, Colorado minus 220. That has been bet down. Good job, public. Bet down from minus 225. There's no way I'm laying 225 on a hockey game. If you want to take a chance on the Blues and that nice plus money, go ahead and do so. St. Louis, to me, is one of those teams. The winner of this series, well, we'll put it this way. The winner of this series, to me, is going to win the Stanley Cup because, of course, St. Louis came in playing as well as anybody in the league, and Colorado, of course, of the Colorado Avalanche, which I think we said it all the way back to our opening video. I think Colorado is going to win the Stanley Cup, and I still think that they obviously can do that. The 6.5 over minus 30. Public thinks that this number is a little too high for their liking. This number opened 6.5 minus 30, and then I guess went up to 35 for a second, back down to 30. So we're getting some equal action. There was a push on the over for a second, but that came right back down, as you see. Bennington against Kemper in goal tonight. The Avalanche have not played in 8 days, guys. They're the only team to sweep their opening round series, which was against Nashville. In the end, this might be the best thing that ever happened to them. They get a chance to get some rest. We saw last year that happened, the same exact thing. Got some rest. Thought maybe there would be some rust. There was no rust in that second round as they advanced to the Western Conference Finals against the Vegas Golden Knights, which they eventually lost. I think I would rather keep the momentum going. That's always been kind of my moniker. And yes, I know, look, I know Colorado's a special team. I get that. And you know, whatever rust they may have may not even last a game. This may be a thing where it lasts 1 or 2 periods. But I think that there will be some rust, and I am going to side with a team that has been more battle-tested recently, which is the St. Louis Blues. I think St. Louis comes into this game with a couple chips on their shoulder. Number one, they're just 1-6 in their last 7 meetings in Colorado. Secondly, St. Louis has never beaten the Avs in the postseason, including last year when the Avs swept St. Louis before they went into their conference semifinal against the Vegas Golden Knights. 2 things that head coach Craig Berube pointed out as to how you have to beat Colorado. And again, it's basically just reiterating what I have said, and I'm not saying Craig Berube's listening to me, but it's pretty simple when it comes to this sport. You have to be disciplined defensively. You have to win the special teams battle. If St. Louis doesn't do that, they have no chance of winning this series at all. St. Louis is going to be without Torrey Krug. They also are going to be out without Marco Scandella. That's just to start the series. We'll see how long they're actually going to be out. I think this is going to be the deciding factor in a close hockey game. I think the Blues will make this a long series, but in order to do so, they have to make it a physical series. And I think you'll see that right off the opening shift with the Blues and the Avs tonight. If St. Louis jumps on Colorado early, which is very important, because if Colorado gets his lead in this game, you basically just wipe out any rust that you think that you might have. St. Louis should get on Colorado, get on them early. I think Colorado, who is the better team, will eventually catch up and go ahead. But this is going to be a tough game. I don't think it's not an overtime game, but it definitely is a 1-goal game. So let's get to my selections in this. St. Louis has been incredible on the road, winning 9 of their last 11. They are 12-3 following a win. This is a spot where the Avalanche have not done well over the years. They've lost 20 of their last 28 conference semifinals. The Blues could pull this off outright, but I'm taking the insurance here just in case, because Colorado, obviously, is the better of the 2 teams. I think St. Louis jumps on them early. I think that 1.5 sticks, and that's what we're going to go with for our 3rd selection tonight.